Hello guys, good day and welcome to another brand new weekly update episode 41 in this new year. Actually, to be sincere, this is the first time I'm filming this year. Those videos you watch, you have been watching for the past 2-3 weeks, and the one you will still be watching presently, not this one. Film towards last year. So, by the way, I said I traveled, so I just came back, and immediately I came back, work has started in the shop actually. So, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. This year, I told you last year that a lot of things are going to happen this year. A lot of tutorial on this channel and things we'll be doing. So, without no further ado, I'll be showing you some of the stuff I bought why I was coming back from the traveling. And actually I've opened some of them and start using them to make some projects, and some clients give me some work I need to do as well, so I've started that. So but by the way, I will turn the camera right now and show you everything and how the shop is looking at. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. If you like this video we have been posting, or if you want us to do a new tutorial on the channel, please leave in the comment section down below the kind of tutorial you want us to do. If it's a bag, you can send me the picture, because I have my WhatsApp on the channel as well. So from there we'll start talking about the tutorial we'll be doing for the year. So if you know people that this video will be helping, you can share this with them. Thank you guys for watching, and we shall proceed to the rest of the video right now. So guys, welcome back. Actually, from the video we'll be making this week, the video might be long or not long, I don't know yet. So from the things I said I buy for when I was coming back, I bought this block we use in punching. If you want to punch something, you put it on this particular cast block. So this is it. Instead of me punching on the decks on the table I normally use in punching, which is this particular, you see how it looks. So I will put this on this now and punch anything I want to punch. So that is it. Actually, again, a client sent me some work I'll be doing, so I just came back and met it in the shop, because okay, no, we've talked with the client before. She will be sending it, so she has sent it, and these are the work. Actually, I've started making the work as well, as I have just 2 days to make 12 bag. As you can see, this is the design here, so I've started making, but I think I should be able to dedicate a video on how to make this particular bag on this channel, not on this weekly update, but I will dedicate a video to that on how to make the bag. So that is it. I bought another gum. Now this thing is very expensive now. God is going to help us. So by the way, actually some of this as well, I bought this. I bought I think 5 of it, so the rest are not here. I brought 2 to the studio. That is one I've cut, which is this particular one you are seeing here. So this is full one. Then the one I used to have here that I was using before, okay, no, this is the one I used to have here before. This is the new one I bought. This is the full one they have inside the one I cut that is remaining. So guys, that foam as well, I bought it when I was coming from lag. So that's part of the thing I bring along with me. So this is how the shop is looking. I just came this morning and I clean up the shop. Actually, when I arrived, I came yesterday to like check the shop and plan out what we'll be doing. So but I cleaned up the shop this morning and I've started the work. And here are some dyes I bought again. So we'll be using it. I'll be showing you it later. And I bought some fabrics I'll be using for some bag as well, you see. Then some lining as well. The lining is inside this particular leather. So as I was saying, this is the lining. As you can see, this is very expensive lining. And out of the things, accessories I will be using for that particular bag, so this is how the bag is looking, and these are the basic measurements and some of the specification and the list of the items that is inside the carton. So I should have filmed this before I open the carton and start the work for you guys to see everything. So I'm going to show you how it's going. So this is the lock. Actually, this is how the bag will be looking, but a little bit smaller than this. As you can see, the chain is a little bit different to that one I show you there. So these are just all the bags. So I will try my best. Once I finish, I will show the rest of it, how it's looking, because right now I'm the only one at the shop and I need to start continue this work so I can finish it up in time to deliver to the client. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. So this year be expecting good and interesting educative tutorial that we'll be making on the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the other side. So welcome back guys. The process is not easy. As you can see, I've cut out the front of the bag and I'm applying gum to some of this. Once I apply gum, I'll apply gum to this and gum it down. Here I have some of the foam, of course. Then this one I show in the morning the material. I don't know if I should remember to show you, so I've joined the back and the front together. These are the front. As you can see, this is a glossy kind of black, then another one with a print on it, like a snake print. Then we have this one with a embellishment. So this is just the process we are going by now. This is how we normally do it. So this is still part of the weekly updates. I just need to show you this, and after I finish I will have to show you the rest as well. So guys, that's just it for now. Stay tuned for the rest, as I have not cut the side and the bottom, so I have this left and another extra one here if it's not enough to cut the bottom. And this is the front I said I will show you. This is the lock for the bag. As you can see, it's a big plate I will be using. So when I have the screw inside the box there, so when I'm doing it, I'll try to show you guys as well. So guys, welcome to another day in the making of this weekly update. As you can see, the last time we talked, I was trying to make this, so this is the other day now, me trying to finish most of this thing we are working on. So as you can see, everywhere is just littered. This morning actually I just came to the shop, but I don't think I'll be working much today because I have to attend to some people. I have to attend to a meeting. So I've called the clients that owns the products that will be extending it to a day, and that will be on Friday. So by then I'll be finishing this. I will finish this weekly update because so I can edit it and upload it. You know, I started like 2 days ago, not on Monday. So this is just what we have to show you. And you know, I said I've not finished it. I've not cut the side and the bottom as well, so I have to do that maybe once I get back from where I'm going. So it means but that's the last project we did. I have not cleaned it yet, so I'll be cleaning it very soon so that we'll start drawing new illustration there and measurements, and we start work fully for the year. So that's the update for now. By the end of the video, which is tomorrow, I will show you the outcome of the bag we are making, and you guys will really enjoy it. See you on the other side. So guys, welcome to another day. So actually I didn't start vlogging today when I start making the rest of the bag because I have to meet up with the time. So I'm making 12. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There's one outside making it 12, so and it has to be delivered today. So I don't know, probably I will get to vlog when I get to deliver it to the client. I'm taking it there myself because we have some discussion and some work to do. So right now it's left for me to insert the chain. I've not put the chain, as you can see. Once I put the chain, I will let you guys see everything. So I'm getting ready to put the chain, and as you can see, that's the chain there. That's the chain, and this is the one that is here. The two there they are, and that's another one there, the one that is bigger than this. So once I finish, I will let you guys see the process and how everything is going. The shop is still intact the way it is. So guys, stay tuned to watch this to the end, and probably once I show you the finished bag, I will be ending the weekly update here and start another one once I get to our client's place and deliver the bags. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the end of it. So guys, this is the outcome of the bag. I think this is where I will be ending this weekly update because issue happened based on as I was working on the bag. The chain I did not check this from the beginning, so it is something for you to note when you are working. The chain is a little bit bigger than the eyelet, so it's giving me problem. I managed to fix two, but this took me about 30 minutes to just fix the two. The last one I was trying to fix, I just spoiled the eyelet, so I have to just keep it and call the clients. I will know what to do. If it's for me to get enough time to fix it and leave it like that, or we should rearrange for another thing. I don't know what to do now. But the client has not get back to me via the message I text her on WhatsApp. So this is where we'll be ending it. I will update you guys on how things will be going for the next week update. So and you shall see picture of this in the next week updates, how they have turned out to be. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching for this week. Stay tuned for a good video that will be coming by next week. Thank you guys for watching. Now we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.